Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Shilpa and today in this video I'm going to discuss about a advanced structure which is familiar with. What is a familiar with? Familiar with is an advanced structure. It means that we already know about something or someone. When we want to say something that we understand, we know about the person, we know this is the person, we understand about the thing. We can use I am familiar with this table. I am familiar with you. So how can we use this structure? Let's have a look on structure. We can use I, we, he, she, it plus is, am, are, was, were or will plus familiar with plus object slash verb plus ing. We have to put verb plus ing, not single verb. Okay, we have to use as a noun or as an object. So let's have a look some sentences to get better understand. So as you know that I am familiar with this book. I am familiar with my favorite game. I am familiar with this language. It means I know this language. I can understand this language. I am familiar with my grandparents. It means I know about my parents. Grandparents. I know about the grandparents. I completely know that who is my grandparents. So I am familiar with my grandparents, parents, or I am familiar with my favorite TV show. It means I know about my TV show. I am familiar with my TV show. I am familiar with something. If we use verb plus ing, how we can make our sentence? I am familiar with cooking food. I am familiar with cooking food. I am not familiar with this customs. So let's take some past sentences to get better on this how we can use in past. I was familiar with riding a bike last summer. I was familiar with cooking food. I was familiar with my old house. How we can use? I was, I am, I will. And let's take some future sentences to get better understand that how we can make our own sentence in future using familiar with. I will become familiar with a new class next year. It means I am not familiar with right now. I will become familiar with new class in next year. But right now I am not familiar with. Okay, so I will get familiar with a new video game. It means I am not familiar with the new game. I don't know about the game, but I will get familiar with new game soon. Okay, I will be familiar with a new movie. It means I am not familiar with this movie. I will be familiar with a new movie. I will become familiar with a different teacher. It means I am not familiar right now. I will become familiar with a different teacher. Okay, so this is familiar with, and we have learned that how we can use this structure in past tense, present tense, or future tense. I hope you must have understood very well. Use in your life, your daily life. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, so please don't go without liking my video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.